Let's look at an example. So we assume that the random variable y is equal to x plus z, where plus is the binary addition modular 2. And we assume that px of 0 is equal to px of 1 is equal 1 over 2. Z is independent of x, such that pz of 0 is 1 minus p, and pz of 1 is p. So if you look now at the region, then R1, you know it's greater or equal than h of x under the condition y, but this is exactly then the binary entropy of p. The same for R2, which is h of y under the condition x, which is also then the binary entropy of p, if you look at the distribution then. Then if you look at the sum, R1 plus R2, that's the entropy of the joint distribution x and y, but this we can write as h of x, which is at this time is 1, plus h of y under the condition x, which is h2 of p. So we know that this rate region is achievable and also best possible. Let's look, for example, if p is equal 0.11. Then if you put this in the binary entropy, then you get 0.5 there. That means here we have R1 plus R2 greater or equal than 1.5, and R1 greater or equal 0.5, and R2 greater or equal 0.5. That means we can achieve the point that R1 is equal R2 is equal 0.75, because then the sum is greater or equal 1.5. And this is of course much better than if we choose R1 equal R2 equal 1, which we can achieve when we separate encode and decode. Then in principle we have no compression at all. That's one thing one could do. Let's continue with this example. So in this example, of course, we have also the point R1, R2 equal 1 and 0.5. And the idea, if we have R1 is equal 1, that means we can transmit xn without any compression to the decoder. And yn, we compress it by a factor 0.5. So the idea is that we somehow transmit the parity check matrix of a binary linear code. How we can do this? So if you know this, then look here, we have this picture here. For example, if we want to send 8 bits, so we can compress it to 0.5, so we can send 4 bits, and we use this parity check here. So we sum always 4 of this 8 bits and have this check nodes here. And this check nodes we can transmit to the receiver and by our theorem here. And then of course we know x1, we know this parity check nodes, therefore we can calculate y1 to y8. So that's possible. But how in practice we can send this 4 bits? This idea is somehow easy. For p equal 0.11, we so the decoder can consider xn to be an output of a binary symmetric channel with inputs yn and crossover probability 0.11. Therefore, we have to design a linear code to approach the capacity of such a channel, and such techniques are known. And this example shows that we can use channel coding techniques for source coding problems. So again, the idea is somehow to transmit xn without any compression, and for yn, we just transmit the check nodes. And to do this, we can practically do this by using a binary symmetric channel.